Can we do it then?
When a natural disaster strikes, every minute matters. Flooded roads, damaged infrastructure, and limited access can make it difficult for response teams to reach affected areas quickly. This is where drone technology can play a supporting role. Drones provide an aerial view of the situation, helping teams understand the extent of the impact without immediately entering hazardous areas. During floods, drones can be used to observe water levels, identify accessible routes, and monitor affected regions from above. In the aftermath of cyclones, earthquakes, or landslides, aerial imagery can help assess visible damage and support situational awareness. Drones can also assist in monitoring large areas in a relatively short time, helping teams gather information that may support planning and coordination efforts. Because they operate from the air, drones can access locations that may be difficult to reach through conventional means during certain emergency situations. However, drone operations during disasters require careful planning, coordination, and adherence to applicable regulations and safety procedures. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace have supported drone deployments across different operational environments where aerial visibility can assist response and assessment activities. Because during natural disasters, understanding the situation quickly is often the first step toward an effective response. And sometimes, a view from above can help teams make more informed decisions on the ground.